And as always, with anything related to COVID-19, it is a controversial issue. Good morning, Roxy and Tony. Good morning, everyone. California joining states like Connecticut, Delaware, and Oregon and lifting some of the mask mandates. The governor making the big announcement yesterday that California will lift its mask mandate on February 15th, but only for those who are vaccinated. And we're talking about mask mandates for indoor public spaces. But masks will still be required at some places and for those who are unvaccinated. That's less than 20% of the state's population, according to state data. But at indoor mega events, well, if there's more than 1,000 people, then those who are unvaccinated will have to wear a mask and show a negative 19 test, or those that are vaccinated will have to show proof. So a lot of the mandates are not being lifted. And here in Los Angeles County, the mask mandate is not being lifted because the public health department says that here transmission is still high and substantial.
It's not lifted?
It's lifted for the state of California, but not for LA County.
So how does that make sense? It means that we're not going to get it. It's not lifted here, so it doesn't even affect me. So just on paper it's lifted, and then we just have to deal with it?
I think it's the safest thing to do. Like, there are definitely people at risk, and I think it's just a way to respect one another. And it's just like, I think by now, I think most of us are used to it, so I don't see why there's a problem.
Now, according to data in Los Angeles County, the number of new coronavirus cases are also dropping. But yesterday, they still recorded more than 4,300 new cases and 29 deaths. And according to local guidelines, LA County will not be considered being out of the surge until COVID hospitalizations drop to 2,500 for 7 straight days. Now, to give you an idea, currently there are 2,773 people in the hospital with COVID-19. And bringing it back here live, another very controversial issue is mask mandates for school children. Those are not being lifted yet. The governor says that the state's public health department is working with the different counties, and we should see some new guidelines soon. Reporting live in Sherman Oaks, I'm Gigi Gracietta. Roxy, Tony, back to you.